everyone, today I have this very beautiful mandala art kit from Fevicryl. It's not just an art kit, it's your gateway to traditional art form. It's specially designed for those who are beginning their journey in mandala art. Let's start painting this beautifully designed mandala MDF board with acrylic colors. The kit is easy to use, immensely satisfying and incredibly rewarding, just the way art should be. Experience the joy of creation as Fevicryl brings mandala patterns to life. Now I'm going to turn this beautiful mandala into a DIY dream catcher, a project that's full of fun, easy to make and leaves a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out the kit on Amazon and Flipkart. Here is a masterpiece, a handmade dream catcher adorned with this beautiful mandala. Thank you for watching. Keep creating.